Hello my friends, in this video I would like to show you the rear parking sensors that the e-app has got. We've got 3 parking sensors, one in the left, one in the middle, a little bit down, and one in the right, and we're going to make the car backwards and check from inside. We will move the car at the wall. Here is the second camera. As you can see, it's very professional. We will move it backwards and see the signals we're going to have from the car. Okay, let's go inside. The car, it's already on, that's why it's screaming. So let's move it to reverse. We've got already the signals. Is in Greek, it says please check the control of your vehicle, the direction of your vehicle. So let's go backwards. Wait a minute, I have to start the other camera. Okay, both cameras are recording now, so let's move backwards. Handbrake, okay. First we've got orange color, it's from the middle sensor. It's quite long, I don't know now the distance, maybe it's 2 meters or 1.5 meter. But as you can see, as we're moving backwards, the sound is more rapid. When the color turns red, the sound is permanent. Okay, now we've got no more space. We will check also from the back camera the difference. Okay, let's park it. Let's go outside to see the zero space, how much is it moving. The zero space is about 10 centimeters. So we can go back one, up to one is going to be total red. Okay, let's move forward now. Okay, and we are done. So this was the video for today. Consider subscribe if you like videos for Volkswagen e-app and other videos. Thanks for watching and see you at the next one. Bye.